Rwanda's journey from the horrors of the 1994 genocide to becoming a symbol of resilience and progress is one of the most remarkable stories in modern history. In just a few decades, the country transformed itself through reconciliation, governance reforms, and economic strides. Let's delve into how Rwanda rose from tragedy to triumph. In 1994, Rwanda experienced one of the darkest chapters in human history. Over 100 days, an estimated 800,000 Tutsi and moderate Hutu were brutally murdered in a state-orchestrated genocide. The country was left in ruins, physically, economically, and socially. Infrastructure was destroyed, millions were displaced, and trust between communities was shattered. After the genocide, Rwanda faced the colossal task of rebuilding a fractured nation. Under the leadership of President Paul Kagame, a strategy of unity and reconciliation was adopted. Community-based Gacaca courts were established to provide justice and encourage healing. Survivors and perpetrators were encouraged to forgive and work towards a shared future, a process that was difficult but vital for national recovery. Rwanda shifted focus towards economic transformation. Policies promoting investment, tourism, and technological innovation were introduced. Kigali, the capital, became known as one of Africa's cleanest and safest cities. The government prioritized education and healthcare, significantly reducing poverty rates and boosting literacy. Rwanda has made remarkable strides in gender equality. Women play a central role in rebuilding the nation, with Rwanda holding the world's highest percentage of women in parliament, over 60%. This inclusivity has been a cornerstone of its progress. Despite its success, challenges remain, including political freedoms and economic inequality. However, Rwanda continues to focus on sustainability, regional cooperation, and technological advancement, striving to become a middle-income country by 2035. Rwanda's recovery from genocide is a testament to human resilience and the power of strategic leadership. From ashes to a beacon of hope, Rwanda's story shows that with determination, even the deepest wounds can begin to heal.